Good morning, Opteck traders. This is your host, Don Kingsley, coming to you live from beautiful Paphos, Cyprus. It's a wonderful 30 degrees outside. Let's get right to it with today's daily market review on August 25th, 2014. This morning, we already see an announcement for the German IFO business climate. Came out at 106.3, just under 107.7, according to the Institute for Economic Research. This is the composite index based on surveyed manufacturers, builders, wholesalers, and retailers. You can see it's had some past performance, not so great as of late this year. But what you can see is that this is going to impact the euro negatively. Let's take a look at the charts later on, see about that. But we have, more importantly, new home sales coming up later on this afternoon. This is 3 o'clock GMT. Expected forecast to be 426,000. Compared to previous actuals, we can see that this is definitely within range. So it's quite possible we could see a build-up here in home sales. This could impact the dollar by giving it more growth, therefore increase and go up on the U.S. dollar. And then later on in the evening, we see trade balance coming out from the New Zealand dollar, forecasted negative 475 million. Actuals, a little bit different. You can see it's kind of been up and down. But if this positively impacts, we could see an interesting outcome for the New Zealand dollar. Then coming into Tuesday, some core durable goods orders as well as consumer confidence report. More importantly, this is going to be interesting for tomorrow, so it could definitely impact the U.S. dollar in terms of growth for the long run. But let's go to Bloomberg. Let's check on the overview for today. Right now we see Dow Jones took a 40-point drop, 0.22%. It's hanging around 17,000. S&P 500 also took a slight drop, only about 4 points. The FTSE is also hanging around negatively and just in 6,775. As well as crude oil is up only a few points. Gold down, silver down. As far as the business climate previously announced for Germany early this morning, we can see, even from looking at their report, compares the IFO Business Climate Index for industry and trade in Germany fell to 108 points in July from 109.7 last month. This marks the third release. This marks the third decrease in succession. Assessments of the current business situation were less favorable in June. Companies were also less optimistic about future business developments. Geopolitical tensions are taking their toll on the German economy. That is the summary as bolded from the IFO Business Climate Germany report. That's pretty much today's announcements for August 25th, 2014. I'm your host, Don Kingsley. Take care, folks, and happy trading.